Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I am going to tell you how to customize menu bar on Mac. I am going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now in order to customize menu bar, all you have to do is just simply go to dock and select system settings, or else you can go at the top, select Apple logo, and then you can open system settings from here. Now once you open system settings, look for menu bar option, select that, and on the right hand side you get options to customize menu bar. Now the first option is automatically hide and show the menu bar. Currently the setting is set to never, which is why the menu bar is visible all the time. So if you don't want menu bar to be visible each and every time, then in that case you can just simply select the drop down and select always over here, and now you can see the menu bar is gone. And next time if you want to access menu bar, just point your arrow at the top and the menu bar will appear on the screen once again. And if you remove the arrow from there, it again disappears. So you can change this setting as per your requirement. Now the next setting is show menu bar background. Currently the setting is turned off, which is why you can see there is no background visible for the menu bar. But as soon as I turn it on, now you can see there is a background over here. So if you want the background, you can turn on this setting, but if you don't want, you can keep it off like this. Now if you go down, we get much more options over here. Now you can see some of the options are already selected, which is Siri, Spotlight, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery, and all the selected options will appear over here. So Siri is selected, so you can see there is Siri option over here. Spotlight is selected, so you can check out Spotlight over here. So if you want any particular control to be visible on menu bar, then in that case you have to simply select that control, and this is how it appears on the menu bar. Now if you don't want it, you can just simply uncheck it and it is gone. So again, you can customize this as per your requirement, and in front of battery you can see there is one more option saying battery option. So if I select that, over here you get an option to whether to select if you want to see the percentage or not. So if I turn it off, now you can see the percentage number which was visible earlier is not visible anymore. So if you want to check out percentage, don't forget to turn on this toggle. After that you will be able to see the battery icon, as well as you can check out the percentage number. Next thing is show energy mode. So if you want to check out energy mode, you can keep it to always, and don't forget to select done option to save the changes. Now there is one more way to add controls to menu bar, and that is from control center. So if I open control center over here, you can see airdrop option is available in control center, but it is not available in menu bar. So all you can do is you can just simply press command on the keyboard. You can press and hold command, and you can click and hold the control like this, and you can drag it to menu bar and you can leave it. Now you have added that control from control center to menu bar. And if you want the same control to be visible in control center, then for that you can just simply go to edit control center, and over here you can search for that particular control. Now I want to add airdrop, so I'm going to search for it. You can see airdrop is here. So if you tap on airdrop, it will ask you whether you want to remove it from menu bar or if you want to add it to control center. If you select add to control center, this is how it will be added. Again, if you right click on the control module, it will ask to select the size. So if I select small, this is how it will look like. Next thing is, if you tap on edit control, then you will go in edit mode, and if you want to rearrange the control module, just click and hold it and drag it like this to change the control center settings. Now the next thing is, if you don't want any particular control to be visible in menu bar, then you don't have to go to system setting each and every time to change the settings. One thing you can do is press and hold command on keyboard, then click and drag the control like this and leave it. So that control is gone from menu bar. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you have understood how can you customize menu bar on your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.